Ladies and gents, it's the grand finale.
Never lay down, never give up. I am a fighter.
Ladies and gents, it's the grand finale of Talent Search Cymru. We have 4 incredible talents battling it out for that final spot. One of those talents are about to be crowned our next representative. Are we ready? Let's begin the show.
Opening the show, it's KLA
Can we please
Dance.
have the best of order and a massive round of applause for this amazing dance crew that's going to come down for us. I can't wait to see them perform live. I've been watching them online and I've been dying to see them live. So guys, can we please have the best of order down to the front for KLA?
Sandy? Tell me about it, stud.
I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control, 'cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying. Bum, bum, luma, oh, bam, boom. Summer fling, don't need a thing, but I know the summer night. Tell me more, but you don't gotta brag. Tell me more, it sounds like a drag.
But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted hopelessly devoted to
Why, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning. It's lightning the bird of the quarter mile. It's lightning the coast of the clouds. You are supreme. It's a supreme. For greased lightning.
Sandy, you must start anew. Don't you know what you must do? Hold your head high, take a deep breath and sigh. Goodbye to Sandra Dee.
Okay, now it's time for our finalists. Up first, it's Ruby.
How are you feeling? Yeah, now you make it worse. She's gonna smash it, isn't she? Let's be honest. She's been amazing this series, and that's the very reason she's here. So, Rube, come out, smash it. You ready? Ladies and gents, round of applause for Ruby, please.
Hi, it's Ruby and I'm a finalist. I've definitely enjoyed the experience, especially like getting to know new people. I feel like I've found more of my voice than I have ever before. When I first come into this competition and did my first season, I was so nervous, and from being able to do the experience the first time and especially coming back, you can gain so much confidence, just become more social as well, definitely, and it's just like such a family environment. You can just be yourself, so don't be afraid to do whatever you want. I'd just like to say a big thank you to everyone who supported me, from the team to my family and to my friends. But this whole journey has been such an amazing experience, especially meeting you guys who has also been through this journey in Time Search Cymru. Thank you for everything, and just continue to be yourselves. Good luck, guys. Tonight, as my finalist song, I'm singing Bridge Over Troubled Water. I'm gonna go give it my all, and hopefully I can do my best.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. When darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me, I will lay me, I will lay me, I will lay me, I will lay me.
I just want to say that was absolutely amazing. When you went up, the only thing I managed to write down was how great you were dressed, and then I was too busy watching you to write anything else down. At the beginning, you reminded me of a Disney princess, and then these big notes come out, and I was like, whoa, that's not a Disney princess anymore, that's Christina Aguilera. You know, so I just want to say to you, you've done amazing tonight. Keep up the good work, and no matter what, you've smashed it. Oh, Ruby, you definitely brought that performance out tonight at the beginning, and there's a reason why I call you a pocket rocket, because you've got that power, you've got that punch, and you know how to control it really well. I'm absolutely over the moon with how your journey have gone this season, and I think because you felt like you had something to prove, you've definitely proved it and more. So well done, baby, you've smashed it.
Ruby, what can I say? Like, I've been absolutely gasping to be back on this panel, this series, just to give you all some critique and everything from the series. I want to actually cast us all the way back now to when you first came into this. You was the person who done this before, and you was the one that we was like expecting more from. You have absolutely proven that this series. You really, really have. And there's a reason why you are the last kid standing. That proves what you are and what you can do. Honest to God, Ruby, whatever happens tonight, and I'll say the same to the rest of the girls, you need to be really, really proud, because I feel very humbled that you've been in this process and what you've just done up there, especially that mixed note at the end. That was impeccable by any standard. You should be really, really proud, because I know I'm proud and these lot are proud. So well done. Well done, Ruby.
Next up from our finalists, it's Caitlyn.
Can we please have the best of all and a round of applause? Caitlyn!
Hi, it's Caitlyn and I'm in the finals. I've struggled a lot with challenges, but I've managed to overcome them. When I first joined this competition and seen all the people I was up against, I didn't think I'd make it this far. From this experience, I've learned that I am quite versatile and I shouldn't just stick to one genre of music like I used to. I've also learned not to be so doubting of myself, and I am deserving of being here. I've really enjoyed my experience here. I've enjoyed meeting new people and taking on new challenges. Until you try, you never know. I didn't think I'd make it all the way to the finals, but I did. I'd like to say a massive thank you to everyone who supported me and believed in me. I couldn't have done it without any of you. This song is a really big song, and I'd never heard it before until my rehearsal, but once I heard it, I instantly fell in love with the lyrics and the song itself. Tonight, for my finale performance, I'm going to be singing I'm Here from The Colour Purple.
Got my sister. I can feel her now. She may not be here, but she's still mine. I know that she still loves me. Got my house and still keep the cold out. Got my chair when nobody can hold out. Got my hands doing good like they supposed to. Showing my heart to the folks that I'm close to. Got my eyes, though the goal seems fun now. Makes it more, but I think really on now. I'm gonna take a deep breath. Gonna hold my head up. Gonna put my shoulders back. Looking straight in the eye. I'm gonna flirt with somebody, and they will wait. I'm gonna see. I'm beautiful. Yes, I'm beautiful. And I'm
So I wrote a few notes down, by the way. You were absolutely spectacular. Spectacular this evening. No one can take that away from you. You could see your mum, everyone over there is proud. You remind me of my dad. He always does the same as well. He's exactly the same. But one of the things which I want to point out, which I think you've done amazing, that a lot of people actually struggle to do, is you can get the really, really low notes as well as those high ones. But it's the high ones where more people try to learn, but the low ones they forget about, and then when they try to do them, they can never ever hit them. And you manage to get every one of those low notes and high notes perfect and go through it, rather than it being like skipping a note. You just smoothly went through every note. And the song, you managed to keep yourself nice to yourself and then belt out, rather than give too much too quickly. So honestly, tonight you have done absolutely spectacular. I could see why your family and your mum's so proud. So you should be proud of yourself too. Amazing.
Caitlyn, that was just simply stunning. It was strong, emotional, and beautiful all in one. You are such an exceptional talent, you really are. And honestly, it's been such an honour to be your mentor this season. To watch where you've come from, you were so shy and not confident. You didn't believe in yourself. And every week you've just grown so much. And genuinely it's been a privilege to watch that and support you through that. Thank you so much for choosing Talent Search to show off your talent, because honestly, you're just something so special. I'm really, really proud of you, and you should be proud of that performance. Well done.
Caitlyn, I want to start by saying that, like, for you personally, this journey, from the minute I met you all the way up over the weeks, and I want to give you this because I'm very impressed with how much you had to fight this sort of battle of overcoming your range coming out, because you are the girl, and which is very, very rare in all of these processes that we've done over the years. You are the girl that comes along who really, really doesn't believe what her ability is. And I'm saying this because every time you've been for rehearsal, every time, you know, I've met up with you for a session or whatever, so every single time I've seen that doubt in you, I've seen that in the back of your head, and that's something you've slowly overcome over the weeks. That's what we've got to see, because you're opening up now, your voice is opening, everything's coming out more, where this was the girl that would shy away from that massive range she had, and it's only because of that little bit of disbelief, whatever it is, that's set in your mind to make you go, I haven't got it, I can't do that, it's too much. And you've proven us week in, week out, that you are willing to learn, you're willing to grow, you're willing to push yourself, and that's exactly what you showed us tonight, because the build, Kathleen picked up on the lower end of your voice in the beginning, and then how it drastically built towards the end. That takes a lot. Is guts for somebody with nerve problems. That took guts for you to do, and you know that in the week. It was like, oh my God, this is big. You've absolutely smashed your finale performance tonight. You should be really, really proud of yourself and what you've done this journey. And I said to Ruby, thank you once again for being a part of this series, because honest to God, it would not have been the same without you. So well done. Round of applause, guys. Moving on to our third finalist, it's Chelsea.
Tonight.
I think she looks absolutely beautiful, and she's going to absolutely smash it. Big style.
Smash it. Ma'am, come on, ma'am. No, I want to speak to you. You've been here from the get-go. What do you think? Is she going to smash it tonight? Do you think she's been amazing this journey too, hasn't she? She's really blossomed.
Team Chelsea, come on up.
Do you want to say something?
She's gonna be awesome. Yeah. She's gonna be awesome.
Hey, lovely work. Right, guys, round of applause, please, for Chelsea.
Hi, it's Chelsea, and I am a finalist. I am absolutely over the moon to be in the finals. I never in a million years thought I'd make it this far. I can't wait to get up there and actually perform for the finals. I've absolutely loved my time at Talent Search Cymru. I've gained so much confidence out of this, it's unreal. I've also made so many fantastic new friends, and it's been an awesome experience. When I first entered the process, I was very, very nervous. But coming to the end of this journey, I've definitely grown in confidence. If you're a nervous person and you love to sing, I would 100% put yourself forward for Talent Search Cymru. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that have actually supported me on this journey. It's been amazing. Talent Search Cymru, it's been an absolute blast. Thank you so much for this amazing season. Tonight, I'm going to be singing Heal by Tom O'Deal. Peace out.
Take my mind and take the pain, like an empty bottle takes the rain, and heal, and take my past and take my sins. Sail takes the dirty winds. and something's last, and tell me something's last. Take my heart and take my hand, like the ocean takes the dirty sand, and heal, 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 and take my mind, take my pain, like an empty bottle takes the rain, and heal, 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 and tell me something's last, and tell me something's last, and tell me something's last, and tell me something's last.
What do you think, guys? Wow, Chelsea, that's so beautiful. Chelsea, I want to cast you all the way back to something I said to you a few weeks ago, back in the earlier stages of the competition. And I remember saying to you that you are a star. And what I mean by this, and I want to rephrase what I mean, I want to just make sure you understand what I mean, is that we've been doing this for 10 years, okay? And the sort of sound that you are offering is quite a rare, unique, current, commercialized sound that's very, very sellable today, is that distinctive, unique tone. You put your voice to anything. Some people say you've got Amy Winehouse in it. Some people say you got this person in it. Because it's such a unique sound. It offers so many variants to it. That's why I love your tone so, so much. Because this is rare. We don't get voices like this often. And that's why I've always rated you up. Because I'm like, wow, this girl is rare. She's a rare one. Your confidence, I gotta be honest, your confidence have come a long way. How you come across on stage, that tonight in particular, the way you made it very vulnerable, the way you kept it quite simple. And can I just point out, your mic control was bang on tonight. Really, really impressed. All I want to say to you is just believe, because there's a reason why you're here, and all four of you girls are incredible. And honest to God, we could be crowning four of you tonight. That's the standard that you're all at. But Chelsea, honest to God, this would not be in this process without you.
Hi, Chelsea. I think we met earlier in the bathroom. We did, and I met Mum. Hiya, Mum. Just so you know, I've written down a few things. I've wrote down how you have beautiful tone and pitch to your voice. Everything that you done this evening just flowed. It was more like listening to a record than listening to someone on the stage. Does that make sense? Like, it was, you hit everything that well that if I close my eyes, I was like, oh, everything. You didn't overdo the song. You didn't underdo the song. Everything went with the music. It weren't like, oh, there's too much of this or not enough of that. Just amazing. You smashed it.
Well done, Chelsea. What an absolutely amazing performance for the finale. I loved the lovely, gentle tone to the song. It was really nice to see the difference there. You had lots of control in your voice through the song. I loved the slides you had through the notes during the song. They were so smooth and they were like butter, honestly. It was really, really lovely. And I just want to say, you've come so far on your journey, and it's been so amazing to see where you started from to where you are now, and you should be so, so proud of yourself, because I know all of us are here. Be proud of yourself. It was amazing.
Wow.
And now for our final finalist, it's Donna.
Donna's performance coming up. How are you feeling?
Excited and nervous.
What about her journey? Because obviously you've been coming with that every single week all the way through. Have you seen a change in her?
Yeah, I'm so proud. She's come so far over the last few weeks. So want to do stuff, Don?
Hi, it's Donna and I am a finalist. Well, when I started this me, I didn't think that I would be picked. Never mind make it to the final. And to be honest though, it's the best thing that's happened to me. That so much I've learned along the way. And to be honest, I don't want it to end. I have loved this experience. I have learned so much. The amount of things that I've learned along the way and about myself and my confidence. It's just been amazing. Please don't ever think you're too old, because I'm 40 and where I've come along and how much I've learned, there's still so much for me to give too, and I don't think that I'm too old at all. Don't do it. Jump on it. Get on it. I just want to say a massive thank you to Joey and his team for allowing me to have this experience and teaching me everything that I've learned, to all the judges for their support, and Lily, because you've been a fab mentor. I would like to thank my friend Julie and my daughters, because they are with me every single week, supporting me and wishing me the best. I also want to thank my singing friends and also friends in work who are supporting. This won't be the last. I'll be around somewhere, shape or form, doing what I love to do with the confidence that I've learned. So tonight I'm going to be performing I Believe by Fantasia. See you soon, guys. Thank you.
Have you ever reached the rainbow's ends? Did you catch a shooting star? And I did catch a shooting star. And how far did it soar? Have you ever found dreaming when you find joy and the dreams around you will lift you up, guide you on your way? I can see the stars above the sky. I can remember those things and dreams now finally realize. You see it and finally, I believe it's impossible that you everything lost. Guaranteed I would give everything just to be with you tonight. You see, I strive to be the very best for all life to shine a light. 'Cause I can be incredible for you tonight. Love can keep me higher, higher,
So, just so you know, just before you started singing, we were just having a little chat, and I could see straight away when you first got up there, you were like, "Oh no, my voice is going," and I could see it at first, but you didn't let it defeat you, and then you went, "Do you know what? If it's going, it's gonna go. Let's just push it out anyway." Then when you actually hit those notes, you hit notes which I've heard people not be able to hit without a sore throat. You remind me of an 80s rock chick, but you've also got a bit of an Alison Moyet tone to your voice. And I love Alison Moyet, but when you hit those notes out, you hit them perfect. And all I needed was those notes to get enough of what your voice is. I have watched videos of you as well, so just so you know, I think for the situation you're in, I could tell you a lot of people would not have turned up knowing they had a sore throat, you still turned up, you still brought your A game, and you still pushed every one of those notes out. So you should be incredibly proud, and you still smashed it. So don't worry about it.
Donna, you smashed it, girl. And you held your own up there. You remained professional, regardless to having a sore throat and that. Not many people would have done that. Do you know what I mean? Like, many people would have either dropped out or had found something simple. But you went out there and you held your own and you give it a good old smash. You've had a cracking journey this season. You've brought out some bangers of songs each week, and you should be so proud of yourself because you have brought fire to that stage, you've brought sass to that stage, and you've brought everything, and you've laid it all on the floor. So be so proud of yourself, girl. Just be proud. You've smashed it. Well done.
Look, Donna, I need to end with this part, right? I've spoke to you about this before. When you was first selected for this process, you was overwhelmed. And the reason why you was overwhelmed so much is because you didn't expect it. You was like, really? Oh, I've passed my time. Really? I want people out there to know that people like you, regardless to your age, there is never too late. And I know you have, and you've proven it this series. You have proven that people, no matter what age, can come and do this process. Honest to God, I want to thank you, Dom, because again, like I said to the other girls, and truly, I mean this to you. This series wouldn't have been the same without you. For me, you've brought something that we've never ever had. I've never seen anybody like you in the process. Apart, Kathleen does the huskiness thing, but other than that, that's it. Honest to God, even though you had the mistakes then, people are not stupid. People who come here every week, they know what you can do. Everyone in the room that sees every week, you know what this girl can do. So, do you think it would be right? Do you think it would be right to go, oh, it's the final, she messed up? No. You've been amazing so far. Don't forget.
Now it's time for some special guest performances.
These guys were our runner-up from last series. So can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause? It's so nice to see them back for KT Vibes!
Come on, let's clap along. Let's do it. All together.
Sing along, I know you know the words.
With your baby.
Come on, louder.
Leave your home.
That's it, keep it going.
Ain't nobody.
Come on. Sing along.
Don't you feel like crying?
Come on, Caitlyn, I know you know it.
Don't you feel like crying?
Yeah.
Here I am, honey. Come on. Fight it there.
Yo. You wanna lie to me, but never cry to me. Baby, if you want, you can ride with me. Relax, baby, and smile with me. That body I've been known, nothing but a tragedy. We can do it old school, just like the movie. Baby, be crying cause she wanna do me. Your BS story goes to school me. I decide when you use me. So, sing along, come on, louder. Keep the clapping up. Come on. Sing along. Sing it.
Don't you feel like crying? Feel like crying?
Yeah.
Come on, fight it back, yeah.
Yo. Cause she taking on a breaking on a love is full singing and she wants up on herself where you go and get the bacon and she taking while the gun is taking she's full singing. Think of brain shaking, taking what they can't make. Just do what they can, cause that girl is crazy. She wanna cry to me, please somebody save me. Yeah.
Loneliness.
Come on, keep it up.
Waste of time. Oh yeah. You don't have to walk alone. Oh, don't you see?
Sing it, girl.
So come on, take my hand.
Yeah,
Baby,
yeah.
don't you walk with me. Oh yeah. When you're waiting.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. In the night, oh.
Yeah.
In the night, there is no one.
I wanna hear you singing, let's go.
Don't you feel like crying?
Sing along.
Don't you feel like crying?
Yeah.
Feel like crying.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Round of applause, guys. KT Vibes. Well done, guys. Right, ladies and gents, best of order, please, and a massive round of applause for Travis Jack. Here we go.
There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. And there were days when the sun was so cool that all my tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how, and I banished every memory you and I have ever made. But if you touch me like this, or when you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. When you touch me like this, or when you hold me like that, it's so hard to believe that it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There are moments of gold and there are flashes of light. There were things I'd never do again, but then they'd always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure, it was more than any loss allowed. Baby, baby, if I kiss you like this, and you whisper like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, or if you need me like that, it was dead long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's so hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. It's all coming back. There were those empty threats and hollow lies, and whenever you try to hurt me, I just hurt you even worse and so much deeper. There were hours that just went on for days, when alone at last we count upon the chances that were lost to us forever. But you were history with the slamming of the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow. And I never wasted any of my time on you since then. But if you touch me like this, or if you kiss me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you need me like this, or if you want me like that, it was dead long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I'd never do again, but then they'd always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure, it was more than any rose allowed. Baby, 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 if I kiss it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, or if you need me like that, let me see what we want to see. It's all coming back to me. The flesh and the fantasies, it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. Thank you.
Wow, 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 wow. Guys, round of applause. Trav. My God, it is voice growing. Woo!
Thank you.
Absolutely amazing, buddy. Honest to God, absolute. Guys, round of applause for him again. Fair play. Well done, Trav. Amazing work, buddy. Absolute amazing. But we are going to welcome back. He's a solo dance act, and he's so entertaining. He's incredible. So, guys, can we please have the best of order up to the front for Roman? Round of applause for Roman. Up you come, buddy.
I walked into the party, I seen some I never saw. Everybody was moving, grooving, girls, they were dancing on the bar. Now this wasn't no ordinary dance. Hey man, why is everybody swimming in a trance? I couldn't figure it out like your grandpa's riddle. I asked them what they doing and they said, Juicy Wiggle. Now move your hips and dance like fish.
Round of applause for all our guys. Well done, Roman, also Roman. Up next, we've got a special performance from one of our previous representatives. She's been in the network a good few years now. She's grown so much. Ladies and gents, round of applause, Gracie Jane.
Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound, burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Give me the warmth of your love when you depart. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Let me up, hold me down, keep me close. Safe and sound, drowning in an endless sea. Take some time and stay with me. Give me the strength of yours. Keep me safe, safe and sound. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me safe, safe and sound, burning in a hopeless dream. Hold me when you go to sleep. Keep me safe. We need love. We need love. Lift me up in your arms. I need love. I need love. I need love. Hold me.
Wow, 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 Gracie, guys, round of applause. Absolutely sensational, Gracie, that was absolutely phenomenal. She never fails to impress.
Ladies and gents, it's time to award our first two
It is
finalists.
time for that result. Are we all ready for this? Can I please have the 4 finalists up to the front with me? Up you come, girls. Round of applause for them, guys. We got Donna, Caitlyn, Chelsea and Ruby. In no particular order, guys. The first person going into the top 2 of the series is... Donna! Well done, Donna. A round of applause for the guys. Well done, Donna. You're into the top 2. Alright, so one more position. The final spot going into the final 2 of the series is... This is very, very tough. Caitlyn. Well done, Caitlyn. You're in the final two. Well done, girl. Go to see your friends and family down there. Can we please have a round of applause for Chelsea and Ruby for the series? Girls, absolutely amazing. We're going to have the girls come up now. Kaylee, I want to come to you. Do you want to say something to Ruby? Obviously, you've been her mentor this series.
Yeah, Rob, I just want to say how super proud I am of you. You've absolutely smashed this season. You've worked so hard, and every time we've even looked at a song for you, you've just said, well, I'll just go for it. You know, it's been no issues. I'm sure everyone's proud, like Mum, Dad, you know, and you just made me such a proud mentor to get this far. And your second time doing it, and you've made it further than before. So
I just want to say, thank you for everything, because I didn't think I'd be back here because I'd already been here, but honestly, this experience has just been amazing, and you guys should be so proud of yourself for getting this far. And I just want to say thank you to all the judges and the mentors, and Joey especially, for, helping me with everything that I've done, and thanks, Mum and Dad.
Right, we're going to come to Chelsea. Guys, round of applause for her. Lily, you've been her mentor throughout the series. What would you like to say to her?
I just want to say, Charles, I'm so proud of you. What you bring is so unique, and genuinely, I said it from the start, and I say it now, you're a star. You are a star. You don't need any more mentoring, any more help. You need to get out there and showcase what you got, because you're incredible.
I just want to say thank you to all my family for coming and supporting me. I love you all. You're amazing. Thank you. Thank you to Joey as well and the judges.
Okay, now we have our final two, Donna and Caitlyn. Now let's carry on with some special guest performances.
Representatives are actually the youngest winner at this point. So guys, can we please have the best of order up to the front for this little powerhouse, Lacey LB!
Empty spaces, what are we living for? Abandoned places, I guess we know the score. On and on, does anybody know what we are looking for? Another hero, another mindless crime behind the curtain, in the pantomime. Hold the line. Does anybody want to take it anymore? The show must go on. The show must go on. Ooh, inside my heart is breaking. My makeup may be flaking, but my smile still stays on. I'll leave it all to chance. Another heartache, another failed romance. On and on. Does anybody know what we are living for? I guess I'm hurting. I must be warming now. I'll soon be turning around the corner now. Outside the door is breaking, but inside in the dark I'm making to be free. The show must go on. The show must go on.
What did you think of that? Liz, oh my God, you absolutely blew the roof off. Look, this girl is, honest to God, there's a lot at the back that have seen this girl grow over the last year and a half. That tonight, that was the epiphany of it. Honest to God, Liz, that was another level up. 13 years of age and that's coming out of her. Unbelievable. Guys, round of applause for Lacey. Absolutely impressive. Well, amazing work, amazing work. Right, ladies and gents, massive round of applause, please, up to the front. It's Cameron!
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste in this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. When sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. I just want you to know who I am. You can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment, the truth in your eyes. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know.
What do you think, guys? Hey, well done, Cam. This girl was on Britain's Got Talent. A lot of you may have seen her. She's also a massive part of this network. She's incredible, remarkable, and I can't wait for you to hear her. I know she's looking and saying, Joe, I don't know if I'm going to get her tonight. But she will. I know she will. I can't wait for you to hear her. All right, so Kathleen, you set, yeah? Right. Ladies and gents, best of order, please. And a massive round of applause. Kathleen Jenkins!
Did I make you feel like you were the only man? Oh, didn't I give you everything that I possibly can? Honey, you know I did. Well, each time I tell myself, well, I think I had enough. I'ma show you, baby, that a woman can be tough. I want you to come on, come on, come on, come on and take it. Take another little bit street, looking good. Well, baby, don't you know that deep down in my heart, I knew I'm terribly right. Oh, never, 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 never hear me cry. But baby, I cry all the time. Each time I tell myself, well, I can't stand the pain. When I hold you in my arms, I'm a woman once again. I want you to come on, come on, come on, come on and take another little piece of my heart now, baby. Break another little piece of my heart now, honey. Have another little piece of my heart now, baby. You know you got it. It makes you feel good. You feel good.
Thank you. What do you think, guys? Round of applause for Kathleen. Kathleen absolutely nailed it. I don't know how she does that with her voice. Honest to God, absolute pleasure to hear her performing again. Amazing.
Okay, back to our final two, performing their song of the series. Up first, it's Caitlyn.
Performing her song of the series, which is the song that the judges have selected as being her best performance to date so far. You all ready for this? Her final performance tonight? Here we go. Ladies and gents, top two, Caitlyn!
I don't want to talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say. No more ace to play. The winner takes it all. The loser has to fall beside the victory. That's a destiny. I was in your arms, thinking I belonged there. I figured it made sense, building me a fence. like I used to kiss you. Does it feel the same when she calls your name? Somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The winner takes it all. The loser standing small beside the victory. That's a destiny. I apologize if it makes you feel sad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence.
What do you think, guys? Round of applause for Caitlyn! Absolutely beautiful. What a final performance. Well done, Kurt, and the dress is stunning.
She's done all she can. Now it's time for
First
Donna.
song of the series, guys. House of the Rising Sun. You ready? Ladies and gents, best of order, please. And a massive round of applause. Donna!
There is a house in New Orleans. They call it the Rising Sun. And it's been the ruin of many poor boys. And God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my blue jeans. My father was a gambler down in New Orleans. Tell you, children, not to do what I would do. Yes, it is. He plays in a new boy, and the only time he satisfies is the house of the rising sun. Oh yeah, in the house of New Orleans. In the rising sun.
Wow. Wow, Don. You fought for your life, didn't you? You fought for your life. My God, how the hell did that come out of you? Unbelievable. Guys, round of applause, please, for Donna.
And that is it. Our final two has done everything they possibly can. Now it's time for some more guest
I haven't seen these
performances.
guys live yet, but I've seen a lot of their work, and I really, really, really wanted them to come down today to show us what they're doing. So guys, can we please have the best of order for this incredible performing arts and dance? This is Studio 54. Round of applause for them, guys.
Dance, I done dance, pupa lick. Yeah, dance, I done dance, pupa lick. Pitney now, all man again. Now, all man again. Ciao. Some gal, a beg friend.
I'm so faded, no exaggeration. Back breaking like a percolation. Boys to the yard for some hip spanking. Way I make it drop down like an animation. Can't take it, them chicks be faking. Y'all still sleep, better stay awakened. Hot new dance for the hood to make it. Make the don't move fast, make you think you're Draking.
There? Over there? Oh, no, I see her right there. Okay. Right there. Come here, little mommy. Come here. Oh, let me see a good one. If you think you a bad one. Oh, let me see a good one. If you think you a bad one. Just let me see a good one. If you think you a bad one. Let me see a good one. If you think you a bad one. Bad one, where she at? There she go. What's your name? Where you from? Wanna see you touch the flow. See, I was waiting for your at the door. I'ma spend, but you gotta have a bag of your own. Oh, let me see a good one. If you think you a bad one.
So we go, it's tricky to rock around, that's right, on time, it's tricky. It's tricky, 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 tricky. It's tricky to rock around, that's right, on time, it's tricky. Tricky.
Wow. Round of applause, guys. Studio 54. Girls, well done, amazing work. It's so nice for them to come along and perform. All right, ladies and gents, best of order, please, and a massive round of applause. Kaylee Hughes, here we go.
Chance you're here alone. Can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time told me that you'd be here. And I swear you moved overseas. That's what you said when you left me. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light in case it is the last time you'll be mine. Be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made us reckless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. When we were young, when we were young, when we were young, when we were young. It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you were there, to when you were there. And the part of me keeps holding on, just in case it hasn't gone. I guess I still care. Do you still care? It was just like a movie. It was just like a song. My God, this reminds me when we were when we were young, when we were young. Let me photograph you in this night in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we were sad of getting old and made us reckless. Oh, I'm so glad I'm getting old. It makes me reckless. It was just like a movie. It was just like a song when we were young. Thank you.
Wow, well done, Kale. Round of applause, guys, Caitlyn. Oh my God, you keep blossoming and blossoming and blossoming. Well done, girl. Right then, guys, so can we please have the best of order and a massive round of applause? Phoenix!
Let's go, Tarzan's company. Alright, this is my job. Woo! Then he goes 1, 2, 3, hey! I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just pray to a God that I don't believe in. 'Cause I've got time while she's got freedom. And when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even. Her best days will be some of my worst. She finally met her man and stole her brother. While I'm wide awake, she's no trouble sleeping. And when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even. Oh, what am I gonna do when the best part of me was always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. Let's go, Tarzan. Woo! And when they say bad things happen for a reason, but no wise words are gonna stop the bleeding. 'Cause she's moved on while I'm still grieving. And when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even. Oh, what am I he was always you. What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up but you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. So you got his heart and my heart and none of the pain. You took the suitcase, I took the plane. I try to make sense, now a little remains. Oh, but you left me with no love to my name. I'm still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just praying to a God that I don't believe in. 'Cause I've got time, while she's got freedom. And when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even. Oh, and what am I gonna do when the best part of me was always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm all choked up and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. All right, guys. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Tato's coming. Thank you so very much. It's your boy Phoenix and Fire. Just well done, by the way. Tato's coming finalist for making it this far. This competition can take you a lot further, so well done for pushing yourselves on. Yeah, boy.
Phoenix, guys, like I said, he's one of a kind. He's got so much energy. He just makes you want to watch him. He's just like, whoa, this guy's different. He's so different. Amazing work, man. Absolutely awesome. Massive round of applause, please, for Sabelle.
I just want to say massive thank you for everything that you do for us, for everyone. And I want to say, you guys, the finalists, you're all winners because you won the Talent Search Cymru family.
Shivers down my spine, body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama. Sometimes wish I'd never been
Well done, Savannah. Round of applause, guys.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is it. It's time to crown our newest
Are
champion.
we all ready for this? What a night. Can we just say what an absolute night? The guests, the 4 finalists, astonishing, unbelievable. This has been tough, but we are about to do it. You ready, girls? After 12 weeks of searching for some more undiscovered talent around Wales, lots of rehearsals, lots of dedication, the friends and family have seen it. We've come to the end of the process. Here we go. The winner of Talent Search Cymru 2023 is Donna! Well done, Donna. You are the brand new series representative. You won the process. Well done, girl.
And there we have it. Ladies and gents, Donna is our newest crowned representative.
Family, if you want to come across. Daughters, Joel, if you want to come up with this here, we need to come and see Caitlyn, guys. So, guys, just before we talk to Donna, we want to talk to this wonderful talent here, Caitlyn, runner-up of this series. When you first come forward for this, I bet you never thought in a million years you'd make a year, but you're here for a reason. And I'm sure the family can agree this girl is exceptional. She's come a long way, and tonight you proved that, Caitlyn. Both performances were phenomenal, and I know we're all really, really proud of you. Kale, what do you think? What do you think of what Caitlyn's done?
Yeah, Caitlyn, you've come out of your shell during this process, and you've been absolutely phenomenal week on week. And you've really pushed yourself, and I just hope that you look at yourself now and just say, yeah, I can do this, I can do anything now, because you've smashed it week on week. You've brought some excellent emotional performances, so be proud of yourself, girl. Well done.
Caitlyn, do you want to say anything to family?
Yes, thank you for your support and for being great for me.
Amazing. Guys, can we have one more round of applause for Caitlyn? Absolutely phenomenal. This series runner-up. Round of applause, guys. Guys, can we have a round of applause, please, for our newest champion, Donna? What a journey she's been on too. Donna, I mean, although tonight we saw you, with your voice struggling a little bit, not the Donna that we're used to. That second performance, you came out on fire. You came out on fire. She's going to be so in the morning. But guys, can we please have a round of applause for this lovely lady? She's been like a mother to them all throughout the process, mothering them. But Lily, what would you like to say to Donna?
Donna, I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for coming into the process. I have been so honoured to be your mentor, and you have taught me so much. You are an incredible talent, an amazing inspiration, and you lift everybody in this room up all the time. You deserve this.
Lovely words. Right, we're going to come to Donna. I know she can't speak well, but do your best now. It's so nice and clear for the recording.
Excuse the voice, obviously. I just want to, to be honest with you, I can't believe they won. Like, being 40 and coming into something like this and winning is, absolutely amazing. I also, want to thank all the other contestants right the way through, because I have learnt so much, even from the young ones. It's been amazing. Ruth, you are, amazing. Chelsea, you're amazing. Caitlyn, you're going to go far. Literally, you are all amazing. I don't know, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy.
Your newest representative of Talent Search Cymru, it's Donna! Run the whole entire process. Talent Search Cymru, the newest crowned representative.
I'm in shock. I'm really happy. Sorry about the voice, guys, but I'm really happy, to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting it, but and I can't wait to continue the process and do more work and recording and just be part of this lovely network. To announcing you because, to be fair, like you and the team are pretty like amazing, all of you.
Oh, bless her.
They are like, I mean, so, and do you know what? Anybody sitting at home and they're thinking, I can sing, I like to sing, and it's something I want to do, and you're thinking, oh, maybe I'm past it, like, you know, from like 35 onwards, and you're thinking, oh, I'm past it. Don't be frightened to apply for it. Just go for it, because 40 and I'm the winner. So it is possible. So guys, come on.
It is very, very true, because like that's what you have kind of proven tonight. Not only are you an absolute powerhouse of a vocalist, because that second performance especially, you teared up the stage. You don't like that, you kick them out the way. Yeah. But you two, I think you represented for a lot of people that feel like they can't do it, and you've just proven they can.
Yeah, of course you can.
Guys, round of applause.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to everyone who's been a part of this series, for everything you've done, all the contestants. This is what you call an energy. Everything we've seen this series, from the friends, the family, the contestants, has been so positive, guys, and that's what music should be about, all right? That's what music's about. We all want our favourites to do well, but all of these talents are equally talented, and you got to see that tonight. I also want to say a big thank you to our incredible guests. We've had some amazing talent come along and perform for you all tonight. And of course, I want to say a big thank you to Llanileth and the team. Guys, round of applause for them, for their incredible work. So guys, we are back in May the 7th, I believe the auditions start again for the next series. And we've already had a vast amount of applications coming through, and we are set to go. We've got 4 weeks before we return. Thank you very much once again, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night. Good night, and God bless. Here's to another successful series of Talent Search Cymru. Up they go. We are back on Sunday the 7th of May to do it all over again. Guys, if you'd like to apply, if you've got a talent, head over to the website at www.musicwales.org and we will be in touch with you.